we'll guide you through how to create a game on CodePen. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to codepen.io. Once you're there, you'll need to log in or sign up if you haven't already. Click on the Create button in the top right corner, and from the drop-down menu, select New Pen. This will open up a new workspace with 3 primary panels: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are where you'll write the code for your game. Start by writing the HTML structure in the HTML panel. You can create elements like a canvas or divs, which will form the basic layout of your game. Next, head over to the CSS panel to style your game elements. Here you can set colors, sizes, and other visual styles to make your game come to life. The real magic happens in the JavaScript panel, where you'll write the logic for your game. This is where you can define variables, functions, and event listeners to make your game interactive. If you're new to game development, consider starting with a simple game like a clicker or a basic platformer to get the hang of things. You can also search for libraries like p5.js or Phaser to help with more complex game mechanics. Once you're happy with your game, click on the Settings button to configure any additional options like external scripts or style sheets you might need. Finally, don't forget to save your work by clicking the Save and Close button at the top. You can then share your game with others by copying the URL of your pen. Congratulations, you've just created a game on CodePen. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.